What's going on, guys? Ren Lim here. And today we're back again with another video. Today, papag-usapan natin yung paparating na WWE pay-per-view in just a few hours. And that is yung Clash at the Castle, Scotland 2024. Nagaganapin of course, sa Scotland. Looks like na maganda yung magiging matches na nasa card, where there are 5 matches confirmed para sa event na to. So in today's video, papag-usapan natin yung pwede maging possible outcomes, possible results, and also my predictions for the different matches on the card. So stay tuned for those. So ang first match na nasa card natin is between Bayley, the champion, versus the challenger, Piper Niven, for the WWE Women's Championship. Now, this is a very solid match na pwede mangyari, especially na nasa hometown si Piper Niven, where she will battle for the WWE Women's Championship. However, I see Bayley retaining the championship. Why? Kasi medyo maaga pa para manalo si Piper Niven ng major championship. I believe ang magiging dito kasi is to promote her as a great wrestler and to wrestle in front of her home crowd in Scotland. Maybe may solid match na pwede perform ng dalawang to, and I see Bayley retaining the championship. No offense to Piper, but I believe that in the future she will become a top star. But for now, Bayley is retaining the championship to extend her reign, kasi I don't see her losing agad after her win against Io Sky at WrestleMania, and I see Piper Niven going to challenge for more championship opportunities in the future. So ang next match na nasa card natin, ito yung inaabangan ko. Sami Zayn versus Chad Gable for the IC Championship. Now, if you remember what I said nung King and Queen of the Ring 2024 last month, I said na magre-retain si Sami Zayn dun sa IC Championship triple threat. Tapos, he will go on to face Chad Gable in solos competition. And I see Chad Gable finally winning the Intercontinental Championship. Kasi hindi niya successfully na-gain yun since nung title reign pa ni Gunther. So I see him, sorry for the pun, pero I see Chad Gable winning the IC Championship and Sami Zayn dropping it to him. Solid match na pwede ma-perform ng dalawang to. Maybe 15 to 20 match. A solid banger. And I see him finally achieving his goal, and that is winning the Intercontinental Championship. So next match na nasa card natin is a rematch from Backlash last few months. Is between the undisputed champion Cody Rhodes versus the phenomenal AJ Styles in an I Quit match for the undisputed championship. Now, this is a very solid match, pero I don't see Cody like losing the championship agad, kasi he was the chosen one. He was the one who dethroned Roman Reigns at WrestleMania. And I'm aware that AJ Styles is undefeated in an I Quit match. So I see maybe Cody Rhodes ako dito. I see them going for about a 30-minute I Quit match, kasi matagal talagang I Quit match, hindi basta-basta yan. So I see maybe there could be a chance na AJ Styles might pull up the upset and win the undisputed championship, but more likely I'll be going Cody sa match na to. Not because I hate AJ Styles or what, pero I just don't see him losing the championship agad. And maybe in the future, I know AJ Styles doesn't have much time left, so maybe he will be given one more title opportunity, or like one more title run in the future, kasi he really deserves it after everything he has achieved and deserved in his whole career, dating back pa rin sa New Japan, I guess TNA na rin. Kasi, he's a very deserving man. And I believe he belongs in the WWE Hall of Fame in the future. So, for this match, I'm gonna go with Cody Rhodes on this one. So, ang next match na nasa card natin is a triple threat tag team match for the Women's Tag Team Championship. It will be between Bianca Belair and Jade Cargill, the current champions, versus Alba Fyre and Isla Dawn, who are both from NXT, versus Shayna Baszler and Zoe Stark. Now, they're cooking with this one. Pero in this match, I don't see the champions losing agad. So, in this match, I'm gonna go with, obviously, Bianca Belair and Jade Cargill. Their powerhouse tag team is just unbeatable, dominant. Their forces are to be reckoned with. Pero I see another chance or like another wild card na pwede mangyari. Maybe Shayna Baszler and Zoe Stark might, who knows? It's the WWE. Pero in this match talaga, I'm gonna go with Bianca Belair and Jade Cargill. Alba Fyre and Isla Dawn, I want to talk about them for a moment. They have a huge career, or like they have a huge opportunities in the future na pwede mag-grant or like pwede ma-earn nila. So there is a possible chance na pwede pa sila manalo or like pwede pa nila ma-earn yung ganong opportunities in the future. Pero for this match, I'm gonna go with Bianca Belair and Jade Cargill. Main event time. So main event natin, obviously, it's gonna be Damian Priest versus Drew McIntyre for the World Heavyweight Championship, where the whole Judgment Day are banned or are barred from ringside. They're like banned from ringside, ganon. Now, there are a lot of possibilities na pwede mangyari dito. Of course, CM Punk will interfere in this match. Pero pwede kasing Damian Priest might retain the championship. Kasi I don't see them making him lose agad the championship. He just won at WrestleMania. But then again, they want to make Drew earn his I guess WrestleMania moment na din siguro to. A proper WrestleMania moment in his hometown in Scotland, in front of his people basically, and win the World Heavyweight Championship. So for this match, I'm gonna go with Drew McIntyre. Kasi I want to see him have a moment or like a championship moment in front of a live crowd. Kasi no WrestleMania, medyo bitin where Damian Priest cashed in his Money in the Bank contract and won the World Heavyweight Championship. So for this match, I'm gonna go with Drew McIntyre. Interference and may manggugulo, of course, meron yan. Isa na doon si CM Punk. Bloodline might happen though. It might happen. A return may happen. But for this match, Drew McIntyre talaga. Even if nandun si CM Punk. Kasi I see Drew McIntyre and CM Punk feuding for a championship. Kahit nga hindi kailangan ng championship They might have a feud once CM Punk is medically cleared to wrestle. So yun. So that would be the end of my predictions. Make sure to leave down your predictions in the comment section down below and let me know kung sino mananalo sa iba't ibang matches sa Clash of the Castle mamaya. I guess 2 AM sa Philippines, pero sa UK, kasi nasa UK sila ngayon, 2 PM Eastern. So hope you guys enjoy. There'll be link in the description down below as usual to my social media platforms if you want to follow. Kasi I also upload these kinds of videos there. And yun, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to watch Clash at the Castle mamaya sa Peacock or maybe I don't know, sa WWE Network. I'm not really updated sa ganung mga live streaming platforms. Yun, hope you guys enjoy once again. There'll be link in the description down below to my social media platforms once again. But for now, yun na muna para sa akin. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!